Unboxing the Corsair HS55 wireless. Let's get into this. And they wrap it all in this fun little wrap, almost like you're getting a birthday present. But if you want to check out this exact same headset, Amazon links below, but let's get it unboxed. I like the packaging. It's a little bit different for Corsair here, although maybe a little bit busier than their other packaging has been. All right, getting this open, a cardboard box, kind of egg carton-esque. I like it, I don't hate it. Okay, so it comes out this way. Now, we've got our warranty guide right in here, safety and compliance information, some sort of cable. Is it a USB Type-C? Yes, we've got a rubber, but it does feel high quality. USB Type A, nice connections. I always love Corsair's connections. They just feel nice. This is nice and like grippy right there. It makes a difference to the overall experience. And the same thing on the USB-C side. But who cares? Let's get to the headset itself. Pulling this out, getting it out of the plastic. Initial impressions, I like the design. I really do like the design. We've got some don't eat it in the innards of the headset in there, but then we also have the dongle. Let's go into that first, see how this looks. Pretty much exactly what I would expect. I believe that this lights up like my other Corsair headsets, so that is nice. It's fairly large, but I don't hate it. But let's get to the headset itself. So first of all, it lays flat. That's nice. Let's pull this plastic off. Ooh, very pretty design. I like that. That's super clean. I like that this is just minimal, but it's really quite attractive. And the way that this headband flows into that, I think is quite attractive. This is all pretty similar to my Virtuoso open backs, which I really like. Let's take this side off as well. I really like that design. I think it looks really good. Corsair has been absolutely killing it with their headsets recently, so I'm excited to test this one. Okay, now this is like a rubber mic arm, and the interesting thing is look at how thin the mic is at the end. It kind of comes to like a point, which I think visually looks really, really good. I mean, you can see how thin that is. So quite interesting, and it bends a lot. Look at that. Okay, this is impressive. It's also quite taut, so it probably will stay exactly where you want it to stay. I mean, look at that. It is not flopping around. That's impressive. It's very, very firm. I like that a lot, and it has a nice click when it goes up. Now, ear pads are leather. They're a little bit stiffer than I imagined that they would be just from unboxing it, but without it being on head, I'm not quite sure. It is kind of soft, but it is a little bit stiffer of a foam than I thought. Now, on top, ooh, much more plush up on the top, which is good. Now, this is all plastic. These, while on my Corsair Virtuoso open backs, this was metal, I believe. This is plastic here. However, that is metal in here. So this is metal. That's the wire in there. Looks really good and looks like a lot of adjustability there. So yeah, quite a lot of adjustability. It feels solid. This feels like a very solid headset, but it is mainly plastic. You do get a lot of flex there, which is good. Fabric over the drivers themselves, but no like foam. So it's just fabric over the drivers. For controls, we have HS55 printed right there, which I think looks really good. Then the mic mute, which is just a button, not a toggle. Then, ooh, a very nice volume wheel. Yes, Corsair, yes. That is super nicely tactile, extremely satisfying. We've got our USB-C down there. Then we've got a dedicated Bluetooth button. That's what it says. It's a Bluetooth logo. And then the power button. Let's turn it on and see if this has, okay, so we've got a little LED indicator right there. But I don't believe this has any other RGB, which is exactly how it should be because it's a very pretty headset. But again, if you want to check this exact same headset out, Amazon links below. But this is a Consumer Tech Review, high speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.